Breaking news. A flight carrying 200 passengers flew from Germany to Spain without a pilot. A medical emergency and one ill-timed bathroom break combined to create what could have been a disaster for 200 passengers traveling from Spain to Germany. Although the incident occurred last year, details about what could have easily become a disastrous scenario are only now coming to light following the publication of a full report by Spanish investigators on the February 2024 event. As Business Insider reports, a Lufthansa flight traveling from Frankfurt, Germany to Seville, Spain, was left pilotless for approximately 10 minutes due to unsettling circumstances. As the flight prepared to cross the border into Spain, with about 30 minutes of travel time left, the captain used the opportunity to take a quick bathroom break. When he attempted to re-enter the cockpit 8 minutes later, he was unable to do so, despite trying to input the door's security code 5 separate times. A flight attendant attempted to assist by using the intercom to contact the first officer, but with no response. While nothing had seemed amiss with the captain's 38-year-old co-pilot, he reportedly lost consciousness at some point during his superior's trip to the John. Eventually, the first officer regained consciousness and was able to open the door for the captain, leaving the flight unmanned for an estimated 10 minutes. The first officer was described as pale, sweating, and moving strangely, so he was quickly attended to by the flight crew and a doctor who was on board. Meanwhile, the captain diverted the flight to Madrid, which was the closest airport, so that the pilot could seek immediate medical attention. According to the investigators' report, his sudden and severe incapacitation was due to a neurological disorder that was known to bring on seizures. Business Insider wrote, investigators recommended that the European Union Aviation Safety Agency tell all airlines about this incident so they could reassess the risks of one pilot being left alone on the flight deck. Lufthansa did not respond to Business Insider's request for comment. Disclaimer, this video is based solely on Yahoo News as reported by Business Insider. Don't forget to click the subscribe button like this video and tap the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. Your support means the world to us.